I, Salome Wairimu Mohea Biako, being called on to exercise the functions of Principal Secretary, do swear that, except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings, or document of the Cabinet committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as such Principal Secretary. So help me God.
Congratulations, Salome.
Your Excellency, sir, with your kind indulgence, I now invite Ms. Ann Jokiwa-Ng'ombe, the Principal Secretary for Performance Management and Delivery Services, to take and subscribe to our oath of office. Ms. Ann Jokiwa-Ng'ombe.
I, Ann Jokiwa-Ng'ombe, being called on to exercise the functions of Principal Secretary, do swear that, except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings, or document of the Cabinet committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Principal Secretary. So help me God.
Good morning, ma'am. Congratulations.
Your Excellency, with the two newly appointed Principal Secretaries having assumed office, it is now my humble duty and high privilege to invite Your Excellency to convey your congratulations to the two Principal Secretaries, and thereafter, with Your Excellency.
Salome and Ann, congratulations on your appointment to the offices of Principal Secretary in both Interior and the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office. As I have told you, you have gone through the process, and I'm very happy that today you join the team that is engaged in the transformation of Kenya on the platform of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, which I am very clear that you understand. You have gone through the process. Many of you, we worked on the plan together to put it together. And the people of Kenya have very high expectations about the delivery of the plan. I am very confident that you have the requisite knowledge and understanding to assist your cabinet secretaries and to work collaboratively with your colleagues as we use the whole of government approach to deliver to the people of Kenya. As I have told you, I look forward to working with both of you as I work with the rest of the team in this very important and noble responsibility and duty given to us by the people of Kenya to transform our great country and to better the lives of the people of Kenya. Specifically, at the State Department of Correctional Services, we have an elaborate transformation agenda to make correctional services a place where citizens can be given the opportunity to repair their lives. And we are going to work with you to make sure that the State Department serves the people of Kenya in the best possible manner, and to ensure that the State Department also participates in many other aspects, the tree planting aspects, the transformation of our cities aspects, and to ensure that correctional services actually assist offenders and people who find themselves in the wrong side of the law to repair their lives and to progress into the future. In the State Department of Performance Contracting, under the Office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary, there are huge expectations, especially on making government and government workers and public servants in general much more productive. We have a big question of productivity of our public service. You will get to know that the analysis that has been done on the productivity of the Kenyan public service doesn't sit very well with the rest of the globe. And therefore, the State Department that we established at the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office is such that government can address itself to the issues of productivity and to the balance between salaries, wages on one end and development resources on the other end. You may want to know that at the moment, we are spending about 46% of our revenues on salaries and wages. The law and best practice demands that we spend 35%. So we are 11% above what is recommended as best practice and what is stipulated in the laws of the Republic of Kenya. I do expect that your department will work with the Salaries and Remuneration Commission and all the other government agencies to make sure that we take the country towards the balance between development resources and resources spent on wages and salaries, and to ensure that every public servant is held to account and is remunerated on the basis of their performance. I am sure that you have the requisite understanding under the guidance of the Prime Cabinet Secretary. We are already engaged in that process, and the consultations are already ongoing between government departments and agencies to make sure that we bring a whole-of-government approach, especially on matters to do with salaries and wages. I will also be looking forward to and expecting from your department a digitization process of all our payrolls and ensuring that our human resource, we can account for who they are, what they do, what they earn, and whether it's commensurate with the performance that is in every State Department. I will also be expecting out of the State Department that we harmonize the pay and salaries of all public servants, and we progressively move towards ensuring that there is fairness and there is balance between those paid the least and those paid the most. It's already a live conversation in the Republic of Kenya, and we expect that the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office and your State Department will work with the rest of government to make sure that we harmonize all the skills and salary cadres and the different compartments of our public service, and make sure that we are all working in concert and we are working together towards the same goals of ensuring that there is high productivity and there is fair remuneration for all public servants. Again, to welcome you into our team, and we have a very robust and alive team. The head of public service will take you through the rest of the nuances of what is currently of importance to us, and also urge you to be on the lookout to make sure that every public resource is used appropriately. It is the least that the people of Kenya expect of us. So again, to you and to your families, pongezi, I wish you well, and I really look forward to working with you because I know you have what it takes to assist this administration to deliver on our mandate. Asanteni sana, pongezi, and may the good Lord bless you. Asante sana. Thank you.